Welcome to our deep dive into continuous repayment mortgages. While this concept might sound a bit intimidating at first, we're going to break it down to its simplest form and explore the benefits, calculations, and considerations. A continuous repayment mortgage is structured to require constant repayment over time, rather than periodic payments like the traditional fixed-rate mortgages. This model aims to reduce the total interest paid over the life of the mortgage. Let's start with a basic equation that defines the outstanding mortgage balance over time. The fundamental continuous repayment formula can be expressed as: imagine you borrow $200,000 at an annual interest rate of 5%. To find the balance remaining after 5 years, you'd plug these values into our formula. As seen in our graph, the balance decreases exponentially over time. This means that at any point in time, your repayments are continuously reducing the principal, thus leading to lower interest costs. One significant advantage of continuous repayment mortgages is the reduction in total interest paid. Let's compare the total interest paid on a traditional fixed-rate mortgage to a continuous repayment mortgage with the same principal and interest rate. For the traditional fixed-rate mortgage, the total interest paid over 30 years could be significantly higher. In our example, the fixed-rate mortgage resulted in $186,511 in interest over 30 years versus $146,239 with the continuous repayment model. This demonstrates a significant potential savings. Let's pause for a quick question. Why do you think continuous repayment mortgages can lead to lower total interest costs compared to traditional fixed-rate mortgages? The key reason is that in continuous repayment mortgages, the principal amount is constantly reducing, which minimizes the amount of interest that can accrue. Now, it's crucial to recognize some considerations and potential downsides of continuous repayment mortgages. One major aspect is the complexity of managing such mortgages, since they require a higher level of diligence and financial literacy compared to traditional mortgages. Another factor to keep in mind is the precision of continuous repayments. They demand meticulous record-keeping and constant monitoring, which could be challenging for those who prefer simplicity. Let's tackle another example together. Suppose you take out a $300,000 mortgage at a 4% annual interest rate for 20 years. Compute the remaining mortgage balance after 10 years. As illustrated by the graph, the continuous repayments rapidly reduce the principal balance, leading to substantial interest savings over time. This highlights the power of continuous repayments, especially over longer periods. To ensure comprehensive understanding, let's conduct a quick review. A continuous repayment mortgage demands constant, instantaneous repayments that reduce the principal, resulting in lower total interest costs compared to traditional fixed-rate mortgages. However, it requires rigorous management and understanding. Are you ready for a quick quiz? Here's one question. What is a significant benefit of continuous repayment mortgages? Correct. The significant benefit is the potential for lower total interest costs, thanks to the continuously decreasing principal balance. Thank you for joining me on this in-depth exploration of continuous repayment mortgages. I hope you now feel more informed and confident in understanding this advanced financial tool. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more insights into mortgages and personal finance.